How to use Saxo Bank 2025. Follow these instructions. Go to Saxo Bank site, sign up, verify identity, and complete KYC to open your global trading account within minutes. Download Saxo Trader Go or Saxo Investor app, log in securely, and access tools to trade and invest in global markets. Add funds via bank transfer or local options, convert to required currency, and ensure your account is funded to trade. Explore stocks, Forex, ETFs, options, and bonds across 50+ markets using the platform's powerful search and filters. Analyze assets using research tools, live charts, screeners, and insights before placing your trade confidently. Select an asset, choose trade type, market, limit, stop, set quantity, and confirm the order to execute instantly. Track portfolio performance, manage risk, set price alerts, and rebalance investments anytime from the dashboard. Thank you for watching.